Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to MOCA'S world. So today I plan on baking using my Kenwood Chef kitchen machine food processor attachment, but for some reason the connector only works intermittently. So I thought I would try to see what's going on with it. So we have some screws here. They look like Allen screws. So I'll be using the two smallest Allen keys here. Check out my unboxing and review video of this TACKLIFE toolbox. So that's a second screw. And this is the last screw. All right, so let's see what's going on here. We have this part, and there's some more screws here, so let's open those. So I loosened all the screws at once. Let's see if they fall out. Okay, so I was able to pull this out just by yanking on it. And if you can see here, there is some kind of residue here. It's very creamy. Here we see 3 wheels that allows this to turn, and it's very lubricated. And just from smelling it, it does smell like it's, some kind of lubricant versus residue. So I'm not going to clean it off. Everything else looks clean. So I'm gonna just twist this part. There's a spring of some kind here. So it's just possible that maybe something is hindering the movement. So I'm hoping that just from playing around with it that it will loosen up whatever was hindering it. So with this part, I'm gonna just twist it around a bit to see if, as I said, something was not quite loose enough. I'm not able to detach anything else from it, so at this point I'm gonna just reassemble everything as best I can. So we have a washer here, so let's replace the washer right there. And then this will go face down. In order for me to align the 3 openings, I'm going to put 2 Allen keys here so that 2 of the openings are aligned. Okay, remove those, and then we just pop the screws in. So it's important to make sure that this disc here is aligned, that the space from top to bottom is equal, because this piece has to fit flat. A good way to do that is just to push this on there, get it aligned before you tighten those bottom screws. So it's perfectly aligned here. Let's retighten these screws here. And it's best to tighten them equally. So do this one a little, that one a little, and then the other one. That way it's not pushing down on one side too much. So now that we've done that, we can align these 3 holes here with these 3 prongs. And it should hopefully fit on there properly and sit flat. So it does, perfect. So then we just put back the 3 screws that we started with. And then we just tighten each of these. So since we've been working with hardware and it was very lubricated with some kind of chemical, I'm going to just clean off the exterior here. And hopefully just opening it and examining it, because we really didn't do anything, that will take care of the issue we're having. Let's just wipe our area as well. And the tools, and then we'll wash our hands with some soap water before continuing. So now that we've assembled it, we're gonna just put it back on here and give it a test. I have this attachment here. And let's put this on. And we're going to shred some carrots. So I hope this works. So it works. I'm going to do several carrots just to make sure it's working consistently. Okay, so it seems to be working perfectly. So if you are having the same issue with your Kenwood Chef Food Processor attachment, follow the steps that I did and hopefully that will get yours working again. Check out my other videos using the Kenwood Chef machine, and I'll put the links for those in the description section below the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified about new episodes. Thanks for watching.